Magandang buhay! Halina't matuto kasama si Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Simulan na natin! Mathematics, Grade 3, Term 1, Week 1, Day 3. Our topic for today is about find the area of a rectangle and square in square tile. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. First, derive inductively the formula for finding the area of a rectangle and square. And second, find the area of a rectangle and square in square tile as the non-standard units. Let's have a short review. Find the area of each rectangle. Number 1, area equals 21 square tiles. Number 2, area equals 30 square tiles. Number 3, area equals 16 square tiles. And number 4, area equals 15 square tiles. Are all the rectangles covered with whole square tiles? Answer, no. For rectangle number 2, one row has incomplete squares. For rectangle number 4, both rows have incomplete squares. What did you do to tell the area of the rectangle in square tiles if some squares are incomplete? Answer, we put together incomplete squares that form one complete square. How did you find the area of these rectangles? Answer, we counted the whole squares and added the number of whole squares formed from putting together the incomplete squares. Our lesson for today is to derive inductively the formula for finding the area of rectangular and square surfaces in square tiles. How can we find the area of this rectangle? By counting the square tiles one by one. By skip counting by threes. By skip counting by tens. By multiplying the number of squares along the longer side by the number of squares along the shorter side of the rectangle. How many squares are there in the longer side? Answer, 10. How many squares are there in the shorter side? Answer, 3. What do we do to these numbers to get the area of the rectangle? We multiply 10 by 3 to get the area of the rectangle. That is, 10 times 3 equals 30. Answer, 30. Another example, multiplying the number of squares along the longer side by the number of squares along the shorter side to get the area. Area equals 6 times 3. Area equals 18 square tiles. Fill in the table. First column, rectangle. Second column, number of square tiles along with its longer side. Third column, number of square tiles along its shorter side. Fourth column, area of the rectangle in square tiles. 1. 7 times 5 equals 35. 2. 8 times 3 equals 24. 3. 9 times 4 equals 36. What shape is shown? Square. How many sides does a square have? What can you say about its sides? Answer: 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. How can we find the area of this square? Since a square does not have shorter and longer sides or has its sides equal, we can find its area by multiplying the number of squares along its sides. How can we find the area of this square? A equals 4 times 4. Therefore, area is equals to 16 square tiles. How can we find the area of this square? Area equals 3 times 3. Therefore, area is equals to 9 square tiles. Let's do this. The side of the square tile is 1 unit. How many units are on the longer side of the rectangle? Answer: there are 7 units on the longer side of the rectangle. Let's do this. The side of the square tile is 1 unit. How many units are on the shorter side of the rectangle? Answer: there are 5 units on the shorter side of the rectangle. In finding the area of rectangle, we multiply length by the width. Formula: A equals length times width. A equals L times W. Area equals 7 times 5. Therefore, the area is equals to 35 square units. Let's do this. Get the area, use the formula A equals L times W. L equals 7, W equals 4. A equals 7 times 4. Therefore, the answer is A equals 28 square units. What is the formula in getting the area of square? Answer: since square has no shorter and longer sides because they have 4 equal sides. Formula: A equals side times side. A equals S times S. A equals 5 times 5. Therefore, area is equals to 25 square units. Finding the area by multiplication. Fill the table with the correct number. First column, rectangle. Second column, number of square tiles along its longer side. Third column, number of square tiles along its shorter side. Fourth column, area of the rectangle in square tiles. Here are the 3 rectangles to be used. Making generalizations and obstructions. 1. How do you find the area of a rectangle? Answer: we can find the area of a rectangle by multiplying its length by its width or using the formula area of rectangle L times W. 2. How do you find the area of a square? Answer: We can find the area of a square by multiplying the length of its sides or using the formula area of square equals S times S. Find the area of each shape. Show how you got the answer.